Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, Elementor Pro or a safe custom code plugin, plus a backup and DevTools open. Next, create a child theme or navigate to Elementor right arrow custom code to add scripts site-wide. Once you've opened the custom code editor, set the location, head or body, and scope, entire site or specific URLs. Make sure to choose the correct load timing, early for globals, footer for performance. This gets you immediately ready to paste and test your JavaScript. Now you'll paste the JavaScript into the editor and wrap it so it runs after elements load. Document. Add event listener, DOM content loaded, or jQuery document. Ready. Target Elementor widgets using their ID or a custom class you add in the widget's advanced CSS classes field. Once added, set display conditions and priority. Save and publish to staging first, then clear caches. If you use a sync or defer, be careful with dependencies. Make sure dependent libraries load before your code executes. Finish by publishing the code with the correct display conditions, then clear server, plugin, and CDN caches so changes appear. Confirm functionality across devices and refresh with a hard reload. If something fails, open the browser console and network panel to spot errors and missing assets. Add console. Log statements to trace execution. If the site breaks, disable or remove the custom code entry immediately and restore from backup if necessary. One key tip: always test changes in staging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.